Hey friends, Min here from Honest Stamp Age, and welcome back to another 5 Minutes in Photoshop. This month we are sponsored by the amazing and fabulous Graphic Adventures, and they have some super cute images and all sorts of fun things. And the other thing that I love about them is they always have 50% off, or at least right now they do. This is just a great shop. Everything is super cutesy. She's got some pre-colored images. She's got papers. She's got the clip art / digital stamps that you can print and color with or work with online. And I just love all of her stuff. And I also love that she has coordinating paper packs. So today I'm going to be using these darling monster stamps, and I'm going to show you how you can take a black and white sentiment and then recolor it with one color or different colors. So I'm going to use this Not All Monsters Do Monstrous Things sentiment. I've already colored in my darling image, and I want to make the sentiment match the colors of the little monster. And so I'm going to be using the colors of the horns and the arms and the feet to recolor the words monsters and monstrous. So first I'm going to make sure that I am in RGB color mode so that I can actually see colors. And then I'm going to go over and I'm going to select a color and the paint bucket, and I'm just going to go through and color all of the letters that I want that color. So I chose this purple, and I'm just going in and I'm filling in all of the purple letters. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with the orange and go ahead and fill in some letters with the orange. And like I said, all of the colors I'm going to use coordinate with my darling little monster girl. So I'm going to keep doing this with other colors until my image is complete / my sentiment is recolored. And if you noticed, I went in there and then I was able to use my little eyedropper to choose which color of pink I wanted, and I just grabbed it from the little monster's cheek. So I've got my purple, my orange, and my pink, and the last color I'm going to do is yellow. And I really love that you can do this with the single letters. Now, one thing I will tell you, if you have a font where the letters are connected, it's going to be more difficult to do a multicolored word. It's going to be easier to just do one color, because when you fill that, it will fill it in all as the same color. And you can even go in here and you can like do a color overlay to color the entire sentiment a different color, and you can just choose whatever color you want. But for this, I want to keep most of it black and keep the words monsters and monstrous as multicolored that match the little darling monster. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to save these images. I'm going to put them into Microsoft Word and I'm going to print them. I'm also probably going to take my monster and create a little scene for her because she's so darling and I want her to be like the focal point of everything. So that's all I've got for you today. Thanks so much for stopping by, and until next time, hugs and happy crafting. Bye friends.